Did you know that AI is predicted to add over $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030? That's more than the current GDP of China and India combined. This staggering figure is just one of many indicators that we're in the midst of an AI revolution that's transforming the way businesses operate. From automating manual tasks to making data-driven decisions, AI is rapidly becoming an essential tool for companies to stay competitive in today's fast-paced economy. As we speak, businesses from all industries are scrambling to harness the power of AI to gain a strategic edge over their competitors. But what exactly does this AI revolution entail? And how can businesses capitalize on its opportunities? That's what we'll be exploring in this video. AI is not just a buzzword. It's a tangible force that's reshaping the business landscape as we know it. From chatbots and virtual assistants to predictive analytics and machine learning, AI applications are becoming increasingly sophisticated and accessible to companies of all sizes. So, buckle up and let's dive into the business AI revolution you need to know. Chances are, your competitors are already investing in AI technologies. In fact, according to a recent survey, over 70% of business leaders believe that AI is crucial for their company's survival. But despite the mounting pressure to adopt AI, many businesses are still struggling to make sense of this complex and rapidly evolving field. One major challenge is the lack of expertise and resources needed to implement AI solutions effectively. Many businesses don't have the necessary talent or infrastructure in place to support AI adoption, which can lead to costly mistakes and failed implementations. Additionally, there's the issue of data quality and integrity, which is critical for training accurate AI models. Another major hurdle is the fear of job displacement and disruption to existing business processes. Will AI replace human workers, or will it augment their capabilities? These are valid concerns that need to be addressed through strategic planning and workforce retraining. Furthermore, there are ethical considerations to take into account, such as biases in AI decision-making and the need for transparency and accountability. As AI becomes more pervasive, businesses must ensure that they are using these technologies in a responsible and ethical manner. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI are too great to ignore. By automating manual tasks, businesses can free up resources to focus on higher-value activities like innovation and customer service. AI can also provide unparalleled insights into customer behavior and market trends, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of the competition. But the benefits of AI don't stop there. In the realm of customer service, chatbots and virtual assistants are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. Not only do these solutions provide 24/7 support, but they also help reduce operational costs and improve customer satisfaction. Moreover, AI-powered analytics tools are enabling businesses to uncover hidden patterns and relationships in their data, leading to new revenue streams and business opportunities. And with the rise of predictive maintenance and quality control, businesses can expect significant improvements in efficiency and productivity. Take, for instance, the case of a leading global retailer that leveraged AI to optimize its supply chain operations. By using machine learning algorithms to predict demand and adjust inventory levels accordingly, the company was able to reduce stockouts by 30% and overstocking by 25%. The results were staggering: a 15% increase in revenue and a 10% reduction in operational costs. Or consider the example of a healthcare provider that used AI to streamline its clinical workflows and improve patient outcomes. By analyzing patient data and medical literature, the AI system was able to identify high-risk patients and recommend personalized treatment plans. The outcome? A 20% reduction in hospital readmissions and a significant improvement in patient satisfaction. These examples demonstrate the transformative power of AI in business. From retail and healthcare to manufacturing and finance, AI is opening up new opportunities for innovation and growth. So, let's take a closer look at a compelling case study of a business that successfully leveraged AI to transform its operations and achieve significant results. Our example is a company called XYZ Incorporated, a leading manufacturer of industrial equipment. By implementing AI-powered predictive maintenance, XYZ Incorporated was able to reduce downtime by 50% and increase overall equipment effectiveness by 20%. The company also used AI to optimize its production schedules, leading to a 15% reduction in lead times and a 10% increase in production capacity. But XYZ Incorporated's AI journey didn't stop there. The company also leveraged AI to improve its customer service, using chatbots and virtual assistants to provide 24/7 support to its customers. The result? A 25% reduction in customer complaints and a 15% increase in customer satisfaction. The story of XYZ Incorporated is a powerful reminder of the transformative power of AI in business. By embracing AI, companies can unlock new levels of efficiency, innovation, and growth. In conclusion, the business AI revolution is real, and it's happening now. As we've seen, AI has the potential to transform businesses of all sizes and industries, from automating manual tasks to making data-driven decisions. Whether you're a business leader or an entrepreneur, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and harness the power of AI to drive success in the years to come. So, what do you think about the business AI revolution? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our related videos for more insights on AI and its applications in business. Thanks for watching.